URGS International reliable E19 alloy steel supply solutions for engineering and industrial applications. Introduction. Hello and welcome to URGS International. Today we will discuss one of the most versatile and widely used engineering steels in modern industry, EN19 alloy steel. Across automotive manufacturing, heavy engineering, industrial machinery, oil and gas equipment, construction machinery, power transmission systems, and countless industrial applications. EN19 steel has earned a reputation for strength, durability, toughness, and reliability. At URGS International, we are proud to serve as a trusted supplier and sourcing partner for premium quality EN19 alloy steel, supporting customers across India and global markets with reliable supply solutions, competitive pricing, technical expertise, and efficient logistic support. In this presentation, we will cover what is EN19 alloy steel, key properties and characteristics, product range available through URGS International, industrial applications, technical advantages, why industries prefer EN19 steel, supply chain strengths of URGS International, global market opportunities, future demand trends. Let us begin. Understanding EN19 alloy steel. EN19 is a highly tensile alloy steel grade containing carefully controlled quantities of chromium, molybdenum, nickel. This alloy combination provides exceptional mechanical properties and makes EN19 one of the most popular engineering steels worldwide. EN19 is known for high strength, excellent toughness, superior fatigue resistance, good wear resistance, excellent heat treatment response. Because of these characteristics, EN19 is widely used in components subjected to high stress and heavy loading conditions. Why EN19 steel is preferred worldwide? Industrial manufacturers continuously seek materials that provide strength without compromising machinability and reliability. EN19 is successfully achieves this balance. Its popularity comes from its ability to offer high mechanical strength. Means EN19 performs exceptionally well under heavy loads and demanding operating conditions. Superior toughness. The steel can absorb shock loads and impact forces effectively. Excellent fatigue resistance, ideal for rotating, moving, and dynamically loaded components. Heat treatment capability. EN19 can be hardened and tempered to achieve desired mechanical properties. Long service life. Components manufactured using EN19 generally provide extended operational performance. Now, EN19 product range offered by URGS International. Let us see this. At URGS International, we support customers with a comprehensive range of EN19 steel products. EN19 round bars, one of the most widely used forms of alloy steel. Applications include shafts, axles, gears, fasteners, machine components. Available in multiple diameters and lengths as per customer requirements. EN19 alloy steel flats, widely used in fabrication industries, structural engineering, machinery manufacturing, tooling applications. Benefits include dimensional accuracy, strength, easy machining. EN19 forged components. Forged EN19 components provide enhanced grade structure and mechanical properties. Applications include heavy-duty shafts, industrial couplings, power transmission components, engineering assemblies. EN19 bright bars. Bright bars are precision finished products suitable for applications requiring better surface finish, dimensional precision, high performance machining. Industries use bright bars for precision engineering operations. EN19 shaft steel, widely utilized for drive shafts, transmission shafts, industrial equipment, rotating machinery. EN19 shafting steel delivers superior reliability under demanding conditions. Custom machine components. URGS International supports customized manufacturing and sourcing solutions according to engineering drawings, OEM specifications, project requirements, export standards. Now, technical advantage of EN19 alloy steel. Now let us examine the technical strengths that make EN19 a preferred engineering material. High tensile strength. EN19 offers excellent tensile properties, enabling components to withstand substantial mechanical loads. This makes it suitable for critical engineering applications. Excellent wear resistance. Industrial equipment often operates under abrasive conditions. EN19 provides enhanced wear resistance, helping increase component life. Superior fatigue strength. Many industrial failures occur due to repeated loading cycles. EN19 minimizes fatigue-related failures and improves operational reliability. Good machinability. Despite its strength, EN19 can be machined efficiently when processed correctly. Manufacturers benefit from faster production, better dimensional accuracy, improved productivity. Heat treatment flexibility. One major advantage of EN19 is its ability to respond effectively to heat treatment. This allows manufacturers to achieve customized performance characteristics. Reliability under stress. EN19 is specifically designed for medium to high stress engineering applications. Its dependable performance makes it ideal for critical components. Industry served by URGS International. Our EN19 steel solutions support numerous industrial sectors. Automotive industry. The automotive sector extensively uses EN19 for manufacturing, crankshafts, drive shafts, axles, transmission components, high strength fasteners. These components require exceptional strength and fatigue resistance. Heavy engineering. Heavy engineering industries rely on EN19 for industrial machinery, material handling systems, mining equipment, construction machinery. The steel's durability supports long operational life. Manufacturing sector. Manufacturers use EN19 for producing machine components, engineering assemblies, precision parts, industrial equipment. Oil and gas industry. EN19 performs reliably in demanding operating environments. Applications include pump components, valves, drilling equipment, mechanical systems. Construction equipment industry. Earth moving and construction equipment operate under extreme loading conditions. EN19 provides the necessary strength and durability required for such applications. Power and transmission sector. Power generation and transmission systems require highly reliable engineering materials. Applications include turbine components, couplings, shafts, mechanical drives. Now, challenges faced by industrial buyers. Procurement teams frequently encounter several challenges when sourcing alloy steel. These include inconsistent material quality, delivery delays, limited stock availability, rising logistic costs, technical specification mismatches. Such issues can negatively impact project timelines and profitability. Now, how URGS International creates value? At URGS International, our mission extends beyond material supply. We focus on delivering complete procurement and sourcing solutions. Direct mill sourcing. We maintain strong relationships with steel mills, alloy steel manufacturers, processing centers, engineering supply networks. This allows us to provide dependable sourcing support. Technical coordination. Our team assists customers in selecting suitable material grades according to engineering requirements. We have a team of metallurgical engineers having experience of 30 plus years in this sector, in steel industry. Quality focused procurement. We prioritize sourcing from reputable manufacturers known for consistent quality and compliance. Efficient logistic support. Timely delivery is essential for industrial success. Our supply chain network supports faster deliveries, better inventory planning, reduced procurement risks. Flexible commercial solutions. We support bulk orders, OEM requirements, export shipments, project-based procurement. Why leading businesses choose URGS International? Organizations choose URGS International because of our commitment to reliability, means dependable sourcing and consistent customer support. Quality, focus on sourcing products from trusted manufacturers. Competitive pricing, value-driven procurement solutions. Professional service, strong technical and commercial coordination. Global reach, supply capabilities across India and international markets. Future demand for EN19 alloy steel. The future outlook for EN19 alloy steel remains highly positive. Growing demand is expected from automotive manufacturing, infrastructure development, industrial automation, renewable energy projects, construction machinery, engineering exports. As industrial sectors continue expanding, demand for high performance alloy steel such as EN19 will continue to increase. Organizations that secure reliable supply partnerships today will be better positioned for future growth. At last conclusion, EN19 alloy steel continues to be one of the most trusted engineering materials used across modern industries. Its combination of high strength, toughness, wear resistance, fatigue resistance, heat treatment capability makes it an ideal choice for demanding industrial applications. At URGS International, we are committed to helping customers assess premium quality EN19 steel through reliable sourcing, efficient logistics, technical expertise, and customer focused service. Whether your requirement involves EN19 round bars, bright bars, forged components, shafting steel, custom machine parts, OEM requirements, or export orders, our team is ready to support your business. Thank you for watching. For industrial procurement, project requirements, export inquiries, and long-term supply partnerships, contact URGS International today. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +91 73 59 45 8455. URGS International, delivering strength, reliability, and performance through quality EN19 alloy steel solutions. Thank you.